all the BCIP and BCI HMCT and our sister concerned colleges and Janki Das Institute of Vocational Studies also. So Dr. Dipankar is associated with Physio Ergo organization as a workplace wellness coach, a graduate from PIMS Maharashtra, and a postgraduate from Banasidas Chandiwala Institute of Physiotherapy. Dr. Dipankar has over 8 years of experience in his field of ergonomics. He is an author of Amazon bestseller book, Ergonomics for Corporates. He is a member of Indian Society of Ergonomics. He is head ergonomic training at Max Healthcare Organization. Being the founder of Physio Ergo at Gurugram, he is a leading physiotherapy and ergonomic organization owner. Being a strong proponent of work healthy and live healthy, he has conducted over ergonomic assessments and training programs of over 150 organizations, and he has addressed over 80,000 people. He has been a keynote speaker at leading physiotherapy and ergonomic conferences across India. His work in schools towards posture correction at a formative age of the children before they become habitual and it causes irreversible changes in long term has been exemplary. Dr. Dipankar is widely published in trade journals, news diaries, and online blogs as a leading voice of ergonomics. Dr. Dipankar, I appreciate on behalf of Banasidas Chandiwala Institute of Physiotherapy the admirable work that you have done in the field of physiotherapy and ergonomics in such a young age. So now I would request Dr. Dipankar to take over the charge and enlighten us with ergonomics. Dr. Dipankar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for the wonderful introduction. So before we start, can we have a quick ground rules? I want everyone to be very cooperative, supportive. I need your energy to, so sometimes people think कि चलो भाई online चले गए and then switch off कर दिया video and then they are doing some other work. So just engage this for another 45 minutes and then learn something. I'll be learning something from you. You can also learn something from me. So I need your support. You can switch. I guess how many of you are actually on the smartphones, logged in from the smartphones? You can type in the chat box. So there is a chat box. Whenever I'll speak, so I can't see any poll. So we'll be. So I need everyone to be on mute for some time. And Dr. Devinder will be asking some questions in between. We'll be answering those questions. And then at the end, we'll be having some Q&A sessions. We'll be discussing with that. Okay.
Dr. Dipankar, just a moment. I would like to say, I'll ask the questions towards the end of your session. So in between, you will be continuing the session. I'm sorry I interrupted.
Okay, got it. No problem, sir. So guys, please be on mute if possible. Switch on your video if possible. So I'll be sharing the screen. One second. How many of you can see my screen? Is it visible? One second.
It's visible, Dipankar.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
Visible.
Take it. So how many of you are actually so I can see the chat, so I need your inputs whenever I ask you any questions. So how many of you are aware of ergonomics? So okay, okay. So that makes my job easier. So let me just go through this. So let's discuss what is ergonomics. So if we split ergonomics into two words, are gone as work, and omics is the laws of work. I mean, studies of work. You can simply call it as solving your physical problems, or maybe doing any. I mean, let's suppose when human meets machine. So ergonomics plays a major role in any given situations, whether you are having a sitting job, whether you are having a standing job, or whether you are actually washing utensils or cleaning or dusting at your place during this lockdown. So nowadays people are facing more challenge. I mean, some challenges while I mean, dusting or cleaning, and I mean, having their back pains and all that. So how you can take care of your surroundings to make yourself comfortable. So that is all about ergonomics, right? So in terms of postures, where we have, I mean, in terms of where we started and now where we are right now in terms of postures. So which is happening to all the age groups. So most of the musculoskeletal disorders have been increasing globally, and there's a reason to it. Most of the problem is because of the major culprit is technology and the sedentary lifestyle. So, so some are the common challenges faced by every profession nowadays, which is everybody is working from home. I mean, be it kid or a student or maybe a professional. So everybody is having online classes. Somebody is having this thing, office, work from home office. So there is no proper light in at your workstations. There is less productivity, no proper workstations. So these are the some of the challenges which people are facing nowadays while working from home. So I guess work from home is the new norm, is the new need of the hour, and we should be very careful for the next couple of months now, because we can't afford to sit and take our laptop, kabhi recliners pe baith gaye, kabhi bean bags and sofa and all that. Because of this, people are suffering more, and the major problem is when they suffer and they don't know where to get, because none of the clinics are open yet, right? So how many of you can resonate with this? Just type yes. So how many of you think this is what people are actually facing? Okay, good. So I'm getting so many yeses. So now just write it on the chat box very honestly. So this is the real problem: lifestyle problems, low back pain, neck pain, computer vision, eye strain, carpal tunnel, shoulder pain, tendinitis, or any other lifestyle disorders or any other body fatigue, pain. How many of you are facing any kind of these kind of injuries? Just type in the yes box, chat box. Just write your problems. Let's say neck pain or maybe back pain. Okay, Disha, neck pain, Anurit, neck pain, low back, headache, cervical, knee and cervical, headache, lower back issues. Okay. So I'm assuming you all are less than 25 years of age, I guess. Okay. Nobody is saying I don't have any problem. Strange. Okay. So maximum people are having neck pain. Okay. So we'll be discussing how people are having neck pain nowadays, and this has been increased during this lockdown. Okay. So major problem, as I said, the problem because of the problem which people are facing, the main culprit is the bad postures, right? How you are actually getting up from the bed, how you are actually sitting in the chairs, sitting on the chairs, dining table, sitting on recliners, bean bags, how you are using our technology like laptops and smartphones, how you are washing your utensils, how we are cleaning our houses. So everything, if we are not taking care of our postures, definitely we end up suffering from some other pain in our day-to-day life, right? So let me just give you an example. 2 days back, I got a call from somebody who referred him to me for the consultation. So he was having some problem with the lower back pain in the scapula, shoulder pain. So I won't take any medical terms, because I know many people are some students are from different faculties also, right? So usko yahan pe bhi pain tha, shoulders mein bhi, and the lower back pain. To my surprise, so he was having the pain because of the wrong form of exercises and now excessive number of exercises. He used to do 108 Surya Namaskars every day, 3 minutes of plank. He was having 6 back abs, but still he was suffering from the lower back pain. Just imagine. So when I take a deep consultation, deep into his schedule, daily schedule, then I got to know that he was suffering from the lower back, majorly because of the dusting or jhadu pocha kuch bhi karne pe, or washing the utensils, right? Because he was doing in the wrong posture. Secondly, he was not having the proper workstation. Thirdly, he was not sitting in the chairs. Zyadatar he was spending time on the bed and the sofa. So guys, इससे ये पता चलता है, you need before the exercises, postures is more priority than the exercise. With the right kind of postures, you can still survive, you can still live the pain-free life, but only with the exercises, and if you're not taking care of your postures, still you can end up having any kind of body fatigue. So I've treated yoga trainers also for some slip disc, because they used to do more than 150 Surya Namaskars and all that. So excess of everything is bad, right? So just type yes if you actually agree with this. Like, posture is more important than the exercise. I know exercise is also important. I'm not saying exercise karna nahi hai, but with the exercise we have to take care of the postures in any form, right? Perfect. Thank you. Yeah. So it is happening nowadays. It's happening to everyone, right? From the age, teenagers to older adults. One second. So any people, as in any age group, technology has taken care. So we are actually slave of other technologies. So so whatever we are using, we should not be actually dependent on that particular gadget or device, right? So we should use in a proper way, so that it should not hurt our body, right? So which is happening nowadays. So kids are started developing this forward head shoulders. Kids have started developing this breathing problem just because of the hunching postural problems. And if we talk about adults, ko to वैसे ही बहुत सारी problems है. And if we talk about the senior citizen problems, so they're also having this frozen shoulders because they end up spending a lot of time on the smartphones, games खेलना या कुछ भी खेलना. So they also need to understand how to use these gadgets properly, right? So we spend a lot of money on these gadgets to make our life easier, not to make our life more worse, right? So today we'll be discussing only majorly we'll be focusing on the neck and the lower back region, because it's difficult to cover most of the topics in less than 1 hour. So as I said, see the type of postures which people are where we land up, and now where we are actually we used to hunt, we used to farm, हम बाहर की ज़्यादा activities करते थे. In terms of postures, again we are actually heading towards the same postural problems, right? So this is how and please mute yourself, please, guys. So this is more scary, which is next one, which is earlier there was a time of laptops and people were suffering from some problems, but now in terms of postures, after laptops we are on the smartphone screens, which is less which is the miniature screens. We need to focus more, we are spending more time. So that's why I think, according to my experience, it's a debatable question, comment, like smartphones are the major culprit of developing these kind of problems, especially cervical spondylitis. Okay. One second. So work from home will help you keep you safe from the coronavirus, but it could lead to other lifestyle disorders if you not taking care of proper work habits and poor ergonomics, right? So you need to take care of your surroundings very cautiously, because so screen is not clear. Okay. Shrija, Devinder sir, screen, is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible, Dipankar. It's
Okay.
visible.
Yeah, somebody is asking. Okay, might be they have logged in through on the smartphones.
Maybe.
Yeah. So out of so what is the major problem nowadays with the technology? Out of, I mean, more than 80% people are having a sedentary job. So what do you understand by sedentary? Sedentary means so any work which you are in one position for more than 1 hour. So be it standing, be it sitting. So security guard की भी job एक sedentary job है. एक professional who is working in the IT sector, he is also having a sedentary job, right? But I mean, what the solution is, you need to break the monotonous of their working style. So security guard is also standing for 8 hours, and this IT person is also sitting for 8 hours. So this is how people are suffering from having the sedentary job, right? So the system, this is the current system of managing the musculoskeletal problems, which is reactive in the, I mean, upside down. So what happens when we have problem? Let's suppose if we talk about any problem, for example, a lower back pain. So अब पहले क्या करते हैं? First step is घर पे कुछ ठीक कर लिया, hot pack लगा लिया, and then they end up having some kind of painkillers and all that. After 2 or 3 days, जब वो pain ठीक नहीं होता, they go to any pharmacy, near pharmacy, or maybe they consult any घर के डॉक्टर को कि so how to treat this lower back pain. कुछ उन्होंने नुस्खा बता दिया. So this problem increases day by day because you are not actually treating the root cause. So धीरे धीरे प्रॉब्लम बढ़ती जाती है over a period of time when you actually land up to major injuries, which is here, right? So that's why people don't take care of the wellness part, preventive part, don't educate themselves, then they'll end up to drugs and doctors, and then I mean, eventually they have to, sometimes they have to land up for the surgeries and specialists, right? So this is and prevention is better than cure, which is, I mean, I'm just focusing on this, which people have to understand now because of this. Everybody is more cautious about the health part, right? So you need to understand. So I'm breaking this. I'm going this upside down, where I make the foundation of the preventive healthcare, how to take care, how to treat your problems, any problems, be it. So just listen to your body, just treat it as soon as possible. If you understand this, if you educate yourself, well aware, you are far away from the any kind of muscle relaxants, you are far away from any kind of surgeries. So I'm not talking about any surgery which are not in our hand. So some of the problems which are actually in our hand, like slip disc, sciatica pain, frozen shoulders, and all that. So many other problems, cervical spondylitis, many other problems, right? So so now if you are actually taking care of your this problems at the very nascent stage, very early, little bit of disturbance. Can you please mute yourself, guys? Whosoever is joining, please mute yourself, please.
Participant, please mute your mic immediately when you join. It disturbs the continuity of the session. I request all the participants again to mute yourself. You all are joining, just mute yourself. Dipankar, I think they are joining, so there is some setting. Whenever some enters into a meeting, it gives a tone. So,
but I think Avi, can you do something like you can mute every participant whenever they join?
Yeah, we will. Avi, there is an option. So I think you can mute all. So
okay.
So there is an option for, because you are the host.
Avi, you are the host, so you just mute all. Everybody will be muted.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I think now.
So initially, I mean, at the start of this webinar, I've asked you that question: how many of you are having any kind of lifestyle disorders? Let's say especially neck pain, back pain, and all. And all these digital screens. So do you know which exercise I'm talking about? So just type yes or no in the chat box. So this exercise is not good enough nowadays in 2020 for you to do this exercises. So I'm saying, Disha, I'm saying this exercise is not good for people actually who are using these uh, smartphones. So beat any age. So basically, the exercise, this exercise actually is creating a problem. People are suffering from vertigo, dizziness, and then neck problems. So whenever they do these kind of this particular exercise, so I'll be revealing this exercise how people, because it's sometimes people uh, okay. So this exercise is only simple as neck rotations, clockwise, anti-clockwise. So so and the question is for all of you is who, I mean, especially jisko neck pain tha. So how many of you can resonate with this? Like how many of you have actually faced this dizziness or sometimes when you do this neck rotations? Wow, Vidu Tiwari. Just, so you face this problem? I do. Oh my goodness. Okay, so sometimes nowadays, like in the cabs also, I see people use smartphones and scroll there and watch videos and all that. Use WhatsApp or read anything on the smartphones when in the car, especially. So first suggestion, I feel headache. Please drop your okay in neck rotations. Yes. So many people are facing this problem. So guys, please don't do this. First is, I'm not saying this exercise is bad, but this exercise is not good enough right now at this technology world, right? Because we are actually used to smartphones and all that. हमारे neck की क्या हालत है हमें ये भी नहीं पता, right? So whenever you do neck rotations clockwise, anti-clockwise, 80% people feel some dizziness and चक्कर आ जाते हैं उनको, right? जैसे हमें वैसे चक्कर आते हैं when we visit Shimla or any hill stations. So उस type के problems और dizziness आते हैं just because of your reading anything on these miniature screens. So my advice is never use or scroll anything when your body is in the motion, especially while in the car. Metro में आप you can use, right? In the flight you can use, but not while walking, not while in the car. So because it takes lot of stress, lot of concentration to actually read those miniatures, small objects, small letters in the miniature screen. So please don't do that, right? So the correct version of this exercise is आप neck को पीछे लेके जाओ, just do half semicircle, don't do full circle. Okay, just do half semicircle. In this way you won't feel any dizziness and all that. Okay, so how many of you are with me right till now? Just type yes. Okay, good. So like I said, I mean, if you want to reduce the strain on your eyes, I mean, if you want to reduce the problems related to the smartphones, please start calculating your screen time. So screen time means any screens which you are actually using, let's be it your TV or maybe laptops or maybe your smartphones. So most of the smartphones has a feature of actually giving you the snapshot कि आपने इस हफ्ते में you have actually used 4.5 hours of screen time and all that. So please be very cautious while using these smartphone screens. So this is the homework for you, all of you. So let's discuss so 3 generations of technology, how this is creating, how this small screen is creating a problem, mess around us. So in the first stage, where 20 years back people used to use desktops. Usme kya hota tha? So while using the desktop, so the distance between screen and eyes were less. The screen size, the desktop screen size was bigger. The screen time was less, and the elbows are rested, right? And your screen level, eye level, is at your screen, desktop, which is not the case when laptops came into the picture. So everything has been changed, right? So यहाँ पे let's say for example, out of 100, 60% people were, maybe less than 40% people were facing any kind of this, especially neck or back problems. But now so it's all in the studies, right? So in this, when the laptop came into the picture, so most of the problems arises. More than 70% people were suffering from these neck pain, shoulder pain, and then lower back pain, because screen size has been reduced, screen time increase ho gaya, your neck angle has been down. There is no the people were not used to put the laptop at their eye level, which is the major cause. And just imagine the third generation, which is nowadays, which is the smartphones. For the last 5 years, especially jab se Jio aaya. So why? Because Jio, just because people have started using internet as freely as it was not available earlier before the Jio, right? So Jio se pehle so internet was expensive, right? So Jio ke saath, internet was so much available that everyone was actually watching videos on the smartphones, YouTube, and all those web series. So there was a lot of binge watching on the smartphones. If you compare from the desktop to smartphones, screen size has been reduced to this. Screen time has been increased to this level, right? And the amount of, and the neck angle, which is gone like more than 45 to 60 degrees, which was not in the case in the desktops. So जितना आपके सामने रहता है, जितना आपका neck angle straight रहता है, उतना you are safer from, you are away from the cervical spondylitis, cervical problems. तो जितना आपका neck bend रहता है, उतना आपका chances of cervical problem will increase. Very simple. Okay. So before we head to this, so any question related to this, just hold on to your questions. We'll be answering those questions at the end. Somebody is asking, Nitanshi, during abdominal exercise, I feel stress in the, okay. So we'll be taking care. Might be you are doing the wrong form of this exercise. Don't worry. Okay. So just type in the chat box, how many of you are loving this content? I want you to understand first and then implement, and then the third step is impart this knowledge to your loved ones, especially your, if you have kids, but especially your parents, or maybe your relatives, your cousins. So do share this knowledge to everyone, because many people are suffering from this. Okay, so let's go to other problem, which is sitting. So how many of you have heard sitting is the new smoking, sitting is the new disease, sitting is the next big pandemic problem? So sitting is actually the major epidemic problem for the last many years. So how many of you have lower back? So I guess initially I've asked you that question, so hardly people were having the lower back pain, which is good. Okay. So this problem, so since nowadays, since you are the student now, after passing from your colleges, you'll be working in some college, some hospitals, or maybe you will open some clinic, or आप कहीं और job करोगे, वहाँ पे sitting hours ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे. So then you'll be blessed with other problem which is lower back pain. Abhi aapko neck problem hai just because of watching videos on smartphones. Broadly I can comment on that, but otherwise lower back pain आपका increase हो जाएगा just when you actually enter into this industry where आपको बैठने की जरूरत ज़्यादा होगी, right? So now you're still safe. So this is the right time to actually understand and how to prevent this problem. So actually if you so I'll be giving you some hacks and some preventive tips of avoiding these kind of problems. So if you actually implement, trust me, if you actually implement, you can easily save 50,000 rupees of this single one preventive, right? The reason why I'm saying very sir, what is the cause of swelling in the cervical? So so the reason why I'm saying, because so if you suffer from any, I mean, let's suppose lower back pain, the amount of time, amount of money you will spending on the MRI, your physio visits, your ortho visits, and all those medications, you end up spending more than 25 to 50,000 in span of 6 months, right? So guys, be very careful before heading to any industry. So be it your clinic or so nowadays everybody is working from home. Kabhi, I mean, if you are sitting on the recliners, beanbags, sofa, no workstations, on your couches. So how many of you are actually having I mean, how many of you are actually know about your sitting hours? Do you know how many hours you are actually sitting nowadays? So there is a close relationship between your sitting hours and your and the lower back problems. Okay, so according to study, more than 80% people are actually sitting more than 13 hours. And ideal duration of sitting is less than 6 hours in total, not at a stretch, right? So sitting means, I mean, sitting can be while having your breakfast, sitting can be while going to your offices and school bus, and sitting wherever you are sitting. I mean, in the offices, in your desk, in front of computers, in front of your while watching TV, and even while sitting and scrolling your phone. So everything just so this is again your homework. Just try to calculate your sitting hours. So if it is more than 6 hours and you are not doing any kind of physical activity, then you are at risk. Simple, right? So that brings me to the next question. Just tell me how many of you are here doing any kind of physical activity once a week, twice a week, thrice a week, 5 days a week, and last option is you don't do any exercise because you are fit enough. I need everyone to answer this question. Sir, in lockdown, sitting is more than 13 hours. Perfect. Very good. I do workout. So you do work. So I'll be asking some more questions. So I'm assuming you used to do exercise before the lockdown also. ये तो नहीं है कि आप lockdown में start किया exercise. I dance daily for 30 to 40 minutes, which is also exercise. So exercise means जिसमें आपको, if you are sweating out, right? Not exercise कि आप PUBG और आप या कुछ आप Candy Crush या कुछ ऐसे games खेल रहे हो जिसमें आप आराम से बैठ के खेल रहे हो. So I need exercise means something as simple as pranayam, as simple as your cardio, breathing exercise, or maybe your cardio or strength training, any TheraBand exercises. I started in lockdown once a week. Before lockdown, I do work 3 days approximately daily, 5 days a week. Okay, perfect. So then you are safe. Okay. So now according to scientists, so their sitting is actually related to the major physical activity, major problems. So there is a direct relationship between the prolonged sitting and the risk of chronic health conditions. So I'll be discussing only about the lower back pain with the sitting, but there are other health problems which is actually associated with the sitting problems. Okay, so that's why because of sitting long hours, people are suffering from these kind of problems. I mean, froggy brain, lack of motivation, lethargic, so and lower back pain, overall body fatigue. So that's why these big companies are investing a lot of money on the standing workstation. So recently I got one for me, and so there's a huge benefit of this in standing workstations. Okay, so आपने कभी भी notice किया होगा, whenever you do any meetings or any conversation with your friends and all with your parents while standing, so you are more aware, you are more motivated, you are more innovative, your brain becomes more interactive and more innovative. But it doesn't happen when you are sitting. Okay, so there's a lack of motivation when directly impacts our ability to creative, resourceful problem solvers and the productive. So if you are still, if you are lethargic, if you are sitting, so your innovative part, the brain part, which is creative part, which is not very active. Okay, so these are the scariest problem associated with the prolonged sitting hours. Okay, lung cancer, colon, uterine, prostate, breast, and all that. Diabetes, lower back, frozen shoulders. Calf problems, right? So don't worry about that. If you are doing, it's good to see that everybody's doing any kind of physical activity during this lockdown. So I urge all of you to do some, so continue with this exercise after the lockdown also. So कुछ भी ऐसी excuse मत डालना कि you don't have time and all that of doing exercises. Just invest some time, at least half a day, at least half an hour for your body, right? So as I said, according to WHO, more than 80% people are actually not engaging in any kind of physical activity, and which brings to fourth leading risk factor of global mortality. Okay, so this is the major drawback. If you are sitting, that's why I've said, if you are sitting for more than 6 hours a day, you are at high risk of these metabolic disorders. Okay. So it's a myth. So this screen sometimes takes a longer time to actually demonstrate and explain to the people. I think आप सबसे अच्छे से समझ पाओगे इसको, because don't think, sometimes people have a myth कि हमने एक घंटा exercise कर लिया, now we don't need any kind of further exercise, we can still sit for more than 10 hours. But which is not true. So when I sometimes go to these workstations analysis in the corporates, there are some people who seems to be physically fit, and they don't engage with the session, they don't engage with the flow of what the content is. They think so they have a knowledge like हमने सुबह 1 घंटा exercise कर लिया, I went to the gym, I went to yoga session, so I don't need this gyan, I don't need this session, because I am fit enough, I can still work while sitting, I can still avoid these kind of problems, which is not true, guys. Even if you do any kind of exercises 30 to 40 minutes or 1 hour, still you have to break the monotonous of sitting, right? Because technically, as in medically, the moment you sit, electrical muscle activity shuts down in the calves, and blood flow reduces, and there are many other factors which are associated with the sittings. Okay, so if I want to summarize very simply, the chances of cardiovascular diseases will increase if you are having the less physical active. So for your knowledge, my clinic is on 2nd floor. So why I'm saying this, because my clinic is on 2nd floor. वहाँ पे उस mall में lift भी है, उस mall में escalators भी हैं, उस mall में stairs भी हैं. But when I sometimes it feels bad when youngsters when they don't have any knee problem, no lower back problem, but still they wait for some time for the lift to open, only for the 2nd floor and 1st floor. Sometimes I see फर्स्ट फ्लोर के लिए भी लोग वेट करते हैं कि लिफ्ट में जाएं. So just imagine, so those are the people, those who are actually don't have time for the exercise. So इसलिए physical activity कम होती जा रही है. Cardiovascular diseases problems are increasing. Physical activity sitting hours की वजह से कम हो रही है. And in some houses people have more than 3 maids. किसी और चीज के लिए, किसी और चीज के लिए, किसी और चीज के लिए, कोई यूटेंसिल्स के लिए, कोई क्लीनिंग के लिए, कोई उनके बच्चों को स्कूल पहुंचाने के लिए, स्कूल बस के लिए. So these are the, I mean, so these people are also dependent on these maids. और उन लोगों को ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम आ रही है आजकल ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन, बिकॉज मेड तो सब चली गई. So because they are not used to physical activity. I'm not saying everyone, I'm saying majority of the population is suffering from facing this. One is mental stress ki haan maid chali gayi, and then they are having this problem. So guys, physical activity jitna aapka upar rahega, jitna aapka your more physical activity, the chances of any disorders, any health issues will reduce. Okay, so how many of you are actually loving this content? Sorry. People, some tips for people going for this. Please ask me these questions at the end. Okay. Perfect. So I need one commitment for all of you, as I have already told you, which is impart this knowledge to your, I mean, younger adults. I mean, bachcho ko, teenagers, and your older adults, especially your parents. Please do share with your parents also. So so this is a simple exercise, is the self test which you can do right now if possible, or else this you can do later on also. So this self test is basically just stand up from your chair, from your bed, wherever you're sitting, on your one leg, without touching your armrest, without touching your knees. Just you have to stand like this without touching any object, or only on the one leg. So I'm just giving you another 10-20 seconds. Let me see how many of you can do that. Only with one leg. So let's see the strength of your knees. Once you are done, just write it in the chat box. How many of you have done? I mean, succeeded. No. You have said done. I mean, I'm assuming everyone was able to do that. Okay, perfect. Oh, wonderful. Still standing. Good. Done. Okay. Done means you have tried or you have succeeded. Himanshu saying I am able, which is good. Good, Himanshu. Succeeded. Salma succeeded. Gaurav succeeded. Riya. Okay. Bhaga, Karthik succeeded. Gaurav, Anukriti still doing it. Juhi. If you can't, I mean, you can practice later also. Succeeded. Shikha, Ritu, Divya, Ridhima. Perfect. Okay, lovely. So many people are actually attentive. I thought काफी लोग सो ना गए हो video off करके. So this was the test to make you awake. Okay. Okay. So now there's with this point, just calculate your sitting hours. Okay. So there's another exercise for you, all of you, is so this is how people sit in front of computers. I'm not talking about the older adults, but I've seen kids, I mean teenagers also sitting like this, hunched postures. Okay. So how many of you know that your posture is not right, not your posture is not correct? So have you gone through, I mean, have you gone through any self assessment कि आपका posture खराब है? Yeah, aware of it, sir. Did the assessment too, sir? Always. Okay. Okay. So my posture is not correct, sir. I knew it. Okay. You need to correct. I don't know how, I'm not aware of your age, because अगर अभी से अगर ये अगर posture होगा तो it takes years to come back to normal positions. I mean, a straight position. Everybody knows कि हमारी spine is S-shaped when we have to maintain our S-shaped curve, right? So let's take an example. Let's do a simple exercise. So what happens when we actually sit like this? What happens when we actually maintain this postures? So I can give you, I mean, hundreds of case studies. Like so one patient was there. I mean, she was around 38. She had this problem like this: forward head postures, hunched postures. She was having breathing problem. She was having neck problems. Definitely, she was having some other problems in the internal organs, because when you sit like this, you are actually compressing your lungs, and total lung capacity reduced you to more than 30%, right? And that's how you not able to breathe properly. Especially उन लोगों को ज़्यादा problem होगी when people have asthmatic asthma problems, right? Any breathing problem. So just imagine without, I mean, if you are sitting straight, if you are have good postures, अगर आपको कोई breathing, किसी को breathing problem है भी, और still he or she is facing the breathing problem, अगर आप ये अगर करोगे तो definitely you are actually adding more problem to your lungs. So what happens? ऐसे lungs compress हो जाती हैं. You tend to reduce, take less oxygen to your lungs. Yes or no? So what happens? So what you have to do is, we all do a simple exercise. If you can switch on your video. What you have to do is, hunched postures में बैठना है आपको ऐसे. Just sit like this and take a deep breath from your nose and breathe out from your mouth. Okay, with hunched posture. जैसे आपको normal posture है वैसे आप बैठो. If you are standing, you can stand and do this exercise. If you are sitting, you can do this exercise. Okay. I'm just giving you another 10 seconds. Take a deep breath from your nose, breathe out from your mouth. Now, Juhi is struggling with the phone ढंग से रख नहीं पा रहे आप, है ना? So always invest on these stands like these smartphone stands where you can keep your smartphone like this, simple. Or maybe, so these are available everywhere, right from rupees 10 to 150. Or either I can give you one simple, आपने जो आपके पास जो कैसेट्स होती हैं, कैसेट होल्डर, जो पहले हम कैसेट यूज करते थे, कैसेट होल्डर को यूज करो and just put it your smartphone like this. Easily you can make that cassette holder a smartphone stand, right? So always do that. ठीक है Juhi? So next is so I hope everyone has done this exercise. So now while sitting straight with chest wide open, just take deep breath 3 times. Take a deep breath from your nose. Again, breathe out from your mouth. Do it 2 to 3 times. Let me see the chat. How many people? Yes. Okay, perfect. Now, okay. Now tell me, how many of you have actually experienced, I mean, felt some difference from these two postures? So did you analyze, आपको कुछ feel हुआ कि while sitting like this, you end up having less oxygen, and while this, you feel more energetic, you can breathe in more maximum amount of air. Perfect, good. So maximum people are felt this, which is true, right? So I'm done with the most of the content. Let's do some simple stretch exercises. Stretching is the most important exercise before I head to any kind of stretching, because stretching is the most underrated, underestimated exercise which people think कि यार ठीक है stretching ही तो है. But I think you are not aware कि like Kingdom of Dreams ये गुड़गांव में है, अगर if you people don't know. So Kingdom of Dreams में people spend, all the participants, all the actors spend 25 minutes to 30 minutes on the stretchings of their entire body stretch before their every show. The reason why I'm saying, because they spend a lot of time just because they know the importance of stretching, because of the stretching the benefits are I mean there are n number of benefits. Like this can reduce your injuries, this can increase your range of motions, this can reduce the stiffness, this can increase the blood circulations. So don't underestimate the stretchings whenever you're doing any kind of exercise in the gym, in the yoga. Warm up or stretch बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. If you are a marathon runner, still stretching is most important, even while running, even before running, even after running. So don't don't underestimate this strong power of this stretching. Okay, so let's do a few stretching exercises. Yes, even before workout, stretching is very important. I can't see your name because it's saying Apple's iPhone. Yeah, so let's start with the normal from the neck part. Okay, so I want you to do all these exercises. Let's, if you can switch on your video. I can see Karthik, I can see Smriti ma'am, I guess Juhi, Astha. Yeah, good. So let's do simple exercises. So which is, एक तो ये करना है आपको. Start with this. किसी ने मेरे से ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा, ये करना ही नहीं है. I guess this was a trick. मैंने आपको इतना लंबा ज्ञान दिया था. We should not do this neck rotations clockwise, anti-clockwise, right? So guys, so this was the trick. So you should not do this clockwise and anti-clockwise. So I've seen you, many people have done this. Okay, so be attentive. Okay, so jokes apart. So start with shoulder rotations backwards, only backwards, because ज़्यादातर while watching videos, while using laptops, we tend to sit like this, and ज़्यादातर लोगों को rounded shoulders आ गए, forward head shoulders आ गए, just because that's why I'm saying push shoulders tissues को backward लेके जाना है. ठीक है? Just do it 5 to 10 times. You'll feel some stiffness in your shoulder blades. आपको shoulders में cracking sound भी सुनाई देगा कई बार. ठीक है? Neck की, apart from this, you can do any exercise. Neck sideways, next this one. So just do this. Bring your right ear to your right shoulders. Hold for, you will feel the stretch on your opposite side. जब भी मैं कॉर्पोरेट से और अदर सेक्टर्स में कराता हूँ तो ज्यादातर गर्ल्स करती नहीं है, जस्ट बिकॉज उनके बाल खराब हो जाएंगे. अभी तो आप सब घर पे हो, सो यू आर नॉट वेरी कॉशियस. ठीक है? सो डू दिस. you have to hold your neck like this, and you have to grab and pull it against your shoulders. Hold it for, yeah, I can see everyone. Dr. Shushma is doing good. Astha, perfect. Apple's iPhone. Karthik, perfect. Juhi. Okay. Wonderful. So next exercise is, you can start with this. And every stretch you have to hold it for 5 to 10, minimum of 10 seconds, a maximum of 25 seconds. Let's keep it 10 to 15 seconds and repeat 3 to 5 times. Yeah, you can start with this. Yeah. Next is like this. your elbows has to be 90 degrees, your shoulders has to be like this at this angle 90 degrees. Like just bring this both the elbows backwards. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is not a stretching, this is a more of strengthening exercise for the your shoulder blade muscles, just to make your neck erect. Okay, ठीक है. हाँ, so next is आप सब अपने हाथ में ऐसे रखो. Can you see me? Like this. Both the hands has to be like this. So it's difficult for me to make you understand like this. So this hand has to be like this. Both the hands, like जैसे traffic police ऐसे रोकते हैं ना दोनों को कार को.
Dr. Dipankar, can you get my?
Yeah.
Are you getting my voice?
Yes, I can hear, sir. हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
So I really appreciate for that detailed explanation of the ergonomics, specifically the demonstration of the exercises that you have beautifully told what not to do. That is very important. You know, in physiotherapy, it's more about contraindications, knowing rather than knowing the indication.
Indications.
So you rightly said what we should not do. Right. So
yeah.
And then I mean, the very important part that you had mentioned for the pain-free life and for the mantra of the being active and taking care of the posture, that was really applaudable, and kudos to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And I think the most touching point in your slide, which I as a teacher could do, was the maid part that you mentioned. That maid is not coming. So that is the crucial point that you have touched. For every female, you have clicked a point. So you have also very rightly said about that. We are not habitual to that exercises.
Right.
Down at the home, which earlier in ancient times or in somewhere 20 years back we were used to, right?
Yeah.
So before going further, there was one question that was boggling my mind. If I can take that, Dr. Savita.
Anji sir.
Yes.
There are school kids, there are homebound kids nowadays. Earlier it was the school bag that was causing a lot of issues in their spine, but now it is the technology that they are holding in their hands. Sedentary, you have already discussed. We are now all sitting, all the PPD during all the presentation we were sitting only. So what should we do actually for those school kids and sedentary people who are now forced to be at home because of the corona?
So, I like I said, you can. I mean, one can. So everything, every detail, every posture is important for them. So you can also impart this to the kids, make them understand how to sit and how to use their gadgets. In most of the corporates, companies have started giving the money to their employees. कि आपको ये खरीदना है आपको. I mean, we are giving this. Let's say Google has given 70,000, what do you call, $1,000, I mean 70,000 rupees to their employees to buy standing workstations, tables, chairs, Wi-Fi, laptops, anything they want, right? Similarly, now after spending this much amount of money, and now people are realizing कि हमारे बच्चे भी तो ऐसे पढ़ रहे हैं, so they also need a proper workstation. So now they are asking for what is the good way, which is the good chair, which is the good ergonomic chair, which is the good best table, and what is the right kind of posture. So like we are sitting, we are using these tables and chairs and proper workstation. Kids also should use. But zyadatar kids are actually using their online classes while on the phone, not on the laptops. zyadatar. So उसकी वजह से उनको bend करना पड़ता है, and sometimes they don't have the laptop smartphone stand also, वो neck bending हो जाता है. तो so one has to be very very careful, like their back and their neck has to be supported. हर एक घंटे में they should take a break, keep hydrating yourself, पानी ज़्यादा पियो, and do little stretching exercises. Although some exercises are not meant for kids, but the kids exercises are different, right? So I hope I hope I'm done with this question, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
So anything else? I hope I was clear.
There was one more question from the audience. I think Vidhu wants to ask a question. So Vidhu, if you are hearing me, can you?
1 second.
Yeah. So so we are surrounded by the technological gadgets, and lot of gadgets nowadays we can see. So spending 13 to 14 hours in front of screen amidst this lockdown, what sort of exercises, Dipankar, would you recommend for eye strain? Particularly, she is asking.
Okay, so eye strain. So one is I mean, try to reduce the screen glare. I mean, the strain which is coming to the screen. So I've seen many people put the smartphone screens, I mean, what do you call, the brightness level at the highest. I mean, so every smartphone has the smartphone feature which is automatic. आप automatic उस पे रखो smartphone को, so that आप जैसे especially while watching, ज़्यादातर लोग binge watch करते हैं before going to sleep, और जब lights बंद हो जाती हैं they watch videos and all that. So don't do that. थोड़ा सा light रखो, थोड़ी सी light रखो so that आपकी eyes पे strain ना आए. Second is while using the laptops and all that, you can increase the font size if you are actually doing some Excel file and all that. And coming to the exercise part, so there are a couple of exercises. One is, let's say, just I do not suggest rubbing the eyes. Just do like this and keep the eyes. I mean, keep the palm on the eyes, just to I mean, relaxing your eyes. Second is wash your eyes as frequently as possible. Third is I mean, if you just observe this today. We tend to blink less when we are on the screen, when we actually watch something on the screen, any screen, right? So the more we blink, the more lubrication in our eyes. So we need to blink more in front of these screens, because if the lubrication drops down, definitely you will hurt something. I mean, you feel some dizzy. I mean, some soreness in your eyes. Washing the eyes, this cleaning, and other exercises for the eyes is, I mean, there's a rule called 20-20-20 rule, which is after 20 minutes, you look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. So it can be any object, it can be anything which is, I mean, which is far away from your screens. So just to break the monotonous of this constant engaging with the screens.
Yeah, very right, Dipankar. I think that was a detail of exercises and some habits which we need to take care of. Blinking, especially, you're very right. Even watching TV, kids are not blinking most of the time.
Yes,
they're constantly maintaining a vision. So, Dipankar, there was another question from the audience there. Imran wanted to ask something. He had a question with him. So, Imran, if you can hear me, you can place your question. Imran, are you there? Can you type
Sir, before he switches on the, can I take some questions which is on the chat box?
Yeah, please. Actually, there are a few questions in the chat box. I have been seeing those questions. So one of the question is maximum time they are using phone while lying, so it is dangerous. So it's making no difference. I think that question you have already answered.
So actually, sir, smartphones itself, it's a huge topic. Sometimes it takes 3-4 hours to actually
so someone has asked, I think Karthik has asked for a Swiss ball to replace the chair. So that
best idea.
Yeah, I think you can best comment on that.
you can go for that because it will engage your core while sitting. So
Yeah.
but
So
ये
Imran,
ऐसा नहीं कि आप
yeah, please
हाँ, but लेकिन
continue.
ऐसा नहीं है इमरान, you are sitting on that bean, what do you call, medicine ball for most of the time. Just keep changing. कभी आप chair पे बैठ गए, कभी आप उस पे बैठ गए. But it is good. It is far better than the normal chair.
Right. So some tips Imran has asked for desk job people who are working on computer most of the time. I think you have already covered most of the tips, stretching and all. If you want to add something to that.
So one is, I mean, some people ask sitting for long hours is dangerous or sitting for in wrong postures is dangerous. So I would suggest sitting is on the sitting for long hours is more dangerous rather than sitting in the improper postures. Again, let's suppose if you are sitting in sitting badly for 5 minutes compared to sitting for long hours, which is more dangerous. Obviously, sitting for long hours, right?
One more thing, if you allow me, Dipankar, I would like to add here that most of the time when we are sitting, no, we are trying to take back rests, and eventually we loop on. We keep on bending. Like if I am bending, I'm bending.
Yeah.
So it gives a ouch in my back. So I think it's better we should sit straight, and for some time we should avoid the backrest. Of course,
Right.
the muscles need rest. So at the time, after some time, we can take the backrest also. But we keep on breaking it. Otherwise, muscles will lose their electromyographic pattern.
Yeah, you're right.
That's just my add-on to what you have mentioned rightly. So
yeah,
if you want to take any question from the chat box, so that we can quickly move to the.
Juhi is asking, can you please let us refer any website or book stretching for? Okay, I'll let you know. Disha is asking, sir, maximum of the time I use phone while lying, it is more dangerous or it makes no difference? Lying in which position? Lying sideways, straight, or on your stomach?
So straight line.
Straight, but dangerous. One of the dangerous position. So, for example, if you're lying down straight or आपका phone ऐसे है, तो definitely you'll putting more stress on your shoulders. So that's how maximum people are suffering, facing this neck stiffness. उनकी neck बीच में रुक जाती है, सुबह उठते हैं तो ऐसे neck हो जाती है, only because of this postures. So don't do this.
Okay. Thank
अगर
you.
देख कर भी रहे हो तो I mean, if you are using, just use for some time. Agar if you are watching something like this on this position, make sure you are actually putting the smartphones on your, maybe on your stomach, or maybe stomach के ऊपर आप, I mean on lap के ऊपर आप अपना pillow रख सकते हो, उसके ऊपर smartphone हो. Don't hold the smartphone, and your neck has to be supported while using the smartphone in this postures. And side lying is the worst postures of using smartphones.
Dipankar, one of the question that has come up in between was some back exercise, if I remember. They wanted to ask for a back exercise also as well.
So because of the limited time, I was not able to do that. But
if you can just demonstrate or you can explain a back exercise, that will be sufficing.
One exercise like just turn like this, twisting, twisting exercise. Okay. Just grab your back like this. You grab your back like this, and after standing, let's suppose आप 1 घंटा बैठे हो, just after standing, just do that back extension exercise.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that will do great.
Yeah.
I think the person who has asked would be satisfied with the back exercise. So, Dr. Savita, can we conclude the session now? Dr. Avi?
Yes, we can conclude if all the queries have solved, I think.
Before just concluding, can I add something, sir?
Yeah, please. Dr. Nidhi, I was asking you only to start the conclusion.
No. Actually, I just wanted to mention here one thing. I don't know how many of the audiences noticed that Dr. Dipankar got in between of the session and he's still standing. So he's also trying to avoid the sitting duration.
So everyone also
most of the time. Dipankar.
This is one of the tip I think that we must observe and follow, that while conducting he got up, but still that is also important, that you get up is one thing. Second thing, that while he's still standing, but he is not disturbing the webinar etiquette. So that is another thing. So I mean, these two things are very, very important that we must all follow by just observing.
Thank you.
Dr. Dipankar, that was really a practical.
I think he has fulfilled. First preach, then teach.
Yes. So, Dr. Dipankar, thank you very much for just
Thank you so much, sir. My
giving
pleasure.
so much of practical knowledge, as well as following those things also which you are really saying. I would request all the audience to follow whatever you have learned today, because if you don't follow it, then the knowledge will become in your mind just lying at one corner. You will not revive it. The knowledge will be lost after few months or maybe few days, maybe few hours. Right, Dipankar?
Yes, sir.
So, anything you would like to say before I conclude, Dipankar?
Nothing. I mean, just implement yourself first, experience something, then impart. Impart this to your loved ones. I mean, सुनते के साथ ही आगे ज्ञान मत बांटना, लेकिन but first understand, experience yourself, because जो मैंने experience किया है वो मैं बता रहा हूँ, और might be आप जब कुछ और करोगे तो you'll feel something else, you will experience something else, so you can add on something more.
Right. So here I would like to conclude the session, and I would like to thank Dr. Dipankar for taking time out of his busy schedule and enlightening us with such a beautiful and essential information about how ergonomics and physiotherapy should be taken care of, and how everyone can take care of themselves, especially highlighting on the ergonomic aspect at workplace. And nowadays, which we are in a situation of lockdown, so especially on those aspects he have rightly highlighted. Along with this, the community, I think, needs to note that they need to take care of this posture and habits that are going to develop, or they are required to become developed very soon after this lockdown. I would like to thank Dr. Nidhi Kalra, the officiating in charge, Banasidas Chandiwala Institute of Physiotherapy, and the whole organizing team for arranging such a learning platform. And of course, last but not the least, I would like to thank our lovely audience, our students from Banasidas Chandiwala Institute of Physiotherapy, from Banasidas Chandiwala Institute of Technology, from Banasidas Chandiwala Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, and Janki Devi Institute, and the faculty members from these institutes. And if I have left anyone, I would like to thank all of you. Without you, this session would not be completed. In the last, I would stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you very much to all of you.
Dr. Dipankar, can I ask you a personal question here? If you have, like you are a BCIP alumni, so as an alumni, would you like to share some experience, and would you like to say something to our students, or I should say your fellow juniors?
So yes, I mean, ma'am. So I have learned a lot of good things, and apart from education, academic, from BCIP from my teachers, mentors, and students, especially. So what I believe is, I mean, I always tell my juniors or other those who are actually in the college night, I mean, live this time. I mean, this time won't come. So I'm getting so many messages, so many calls. Sometimes, like some students are in second year, still they are, sir, ergonomics का कैसे करना है course? Sir, ergonomics कैसे करना है? Sir, masters कहाँ से करनी है? ये कैसे करना है? मैंने कहा, just enjoy this time. You are in second year. Don't stress it out. So college life कभी वापस नहीं आता. Just enjoy this time, and then जिंदगी भर कमाना है. But focus on study and enjoy while studying. I mean, this is what I wanted to tell everyone, because actually I miss my college days, because वो कभी time से वापस आना ही नहीं है.
Same here, Dipankar.
Just enjoy. हाँ. ठीक है.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank you,
Dipankar.
ma'am.
And it was
Okay.
actually nice when your batch was studying in our college.
Yeah.
The whole batch was very good. And I should say rather, you guys always used to, I mean, hang out in groups and, you know, whether study or do certain notorious thing, but in groups.
Yeah.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. And that still continues.
Yeah. So recently we did a Zoom social meeting. अपना 2012, I mean 2010 का batch.
And you all are fit also.
I would like to give the same message to the current students. You know, you must cherish your friendships. You know, besides your academic competition, your interaction and learning, you know, other skills besides academics, your co-curricular activities that builds in lot of confidence, your smart communication skills. These all things are equally important, and always be in touch with your friends and your seniors, because they're always, you know, like leading you to a path and help you in your success always. Of course, choose between good friends and bad friends, but then always look forward to your seniors. They are working good. So you can also see Dipankar sir here. After passing out, doing his MPT cardio, he's practicing ergonomics. He has explored a different field altogether, but he's still he's working good. I mean, he's authored a book. So these all different, you know, different aspects of his personality have developed over time. So, you know, he's also cherishing all these aspects, and you must also applaud him for the same and try to get motivated from him. And instead of feeling depressed, feel happy about what you do. This is what my message is. Thank you so much,
True.
Dipankar. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And
Okay.
thank you all
Okay,
the
ma'am.
audiences
Okay,
to
Savita
join
ma'am.
us.
Okay, Devinder sir.
Thank you, Dipankar. Thank you, Dr.
Okay,
Devinder.
bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you all the audiences.
Thank you, Avi.